This is a CMC Markets Connect volatility report. A return to elevated levels of price action for cryptos has been flagged a couple of times in recent weeks, but matters stepped up a gear during Tuesday's trade with that near collapse of the FTX exchange. Solana was the standout, with the token selling off heavily and more than reversing recent gains off the back of that news that Google would become a validator. One-day vol on Solana US dollar printed 277.46% against 104% on the month. That activity was spread right across the asset class, with even Bitcoin, which is now typically more stable, printing 98.24% on the day versus 44.76% on the month. Gold prices are traditionally seen as ticking higher in the wake of US midterm elections results, and this year appears to be no exception. The underlying rose above the $1,700 mark for the first time in a month, buoying sentiment amongst those stocks with exposure to the industry. CMC's proprietary basket, which covers some of the largest producers of gold in the world, had a solid session, driving one-day volatility to 74.43% against 62.92% on the month. And in single stocks, Aussie oil exploration play Santos was something of a standout. Earnings news released on Tuesday showed that production for the full year is expected to be between 5% and 15% lower than the comparative. That rattled the company's stock and elevated one-day vol to 66.23%, up from 42.71% on the month.